Hi, I'm Hayley Sparks. I'm a beauty expert and I've been in the beauty industry for over 15 years. I'm going to share my top tips and talk you through how you can adopt the perfect morning skincare regime.
Hi, my name's Beck and I don't really know a lot about skincare, but I'm looking forward to getting some tips from Hayley today.
It's really important as your first step in the morning to cleanse the skin so that you can remove any excess dirt and sweat. With this cleanser, just shake well, and then you want to apply a small amount onto damp skin. And I really like to just massage it all in with my fingertips. Give your face a nice little massage as you're doing it.
Is there any specific way that we need to massage the skin?
Always go upwards if you can. Nice little circles, really working into the little areas like around the nose, on the forehead as well. And that's really going to help to lift up the dirt, the sweat. If you have got any tiny traces of makeup that didn't get removed from the night before.
Is there any specific amount that you need to use?
A little bit goes a long way. I would normally recommend using around the size of a pea, and that is more than enough to do your face. And also it is important, don't forget to cleanse the neck as well.
So what's the best way to take it off?
I'd recommend having a clean face cloth and either in cool or lukewarm water. Just squeeze it out, and then this is a really lovely way to just sweep it over the face, remove all your cleanser, just take it all away. It's really environmentally friendly as well and luxurious to use a face cloth every day, but it's important that you use a clean one. So that's my top tip. Make sure that you have got enough so that you can use a clean one every single day, because you'll get a build-up of bacteria, and that's particularly unhelpful if you are prone to blemishes. So we want to use a fresh one every day.
Oh, because normally I would just use water to wash it off, is that not right?
Using a damp face cloth to remove your cleanser will be far more effective, because the little fibres in the cloth will just help lift anything else off the skin that water alone and just splashing your face with water wouldn't pick up. So now we've got our fresh cleansed face, the next step is to use an exfoliator. So we want to start by just dampening the skin.
So what does an exfoliator do?
This helps to get rid of all the dead skin cells. So you just want to take a pump. I like to separate it between my fingers and then just gently massage again, little circular movements. So an exfoliator is getting off all those dead skin cells. So our skin cells are renewing all the time. And if we don't scrub them off as part of our beauty regime, the dead skin cells just sit on the surface of the skin and build up a layer. So it can make our skin look really tired, really dull, really flat. This can affect the way that our makeup stays on our face, so it can make our makeup application really patchy, can show kind of dry patches on the skin. So when we use an exfoliator, we're buffing away and removing all these dead skin cells to reveal a really bright, smooth, radiant complexion. And this exfoliator is lovely, it's natural, it contains vitamin C, which we know is really, really important when it comes to helping with fine lines and wrinkles and collagen production. The only area to avoid is just the delicate under eye area, but other than that, you can use on the face, the neck, and the forehead. You simply remove with a clean, damp face cloth and a little bit of warm water. So to really amp up your skincare regime, the next step is to apply a serum. This is going to deliver a really potent shot of active ingredients deeper into the skin. So to apply, just take a couple of drops from the pipette onto cleansed fingertips and then rub them together, and then I like to really push my serums into the skin. And also, so important, don't forget the neck as well, because this is where we see the first signs of aging. This is containing hyaluronic acid, so this is an incredible ingredient because it's super, super moisturizing and hydrating. It's one of the most effective ingredients used in the beauty industry.
I've got sensitive skin, so won't the acid harm my skin?
Don't be put off at all by the word hyaluronic acid, because we actually produce this in our bodies naturally. This serum is really calming, it's soothing, it's moisturising, so it's perfect for your skin type. I couldn't live without regularly applying a lip balm. And I love this one because it's moisturising, it's really soothing and hydrating, and it just pops up and it's so easy to apply.
Oh, it's really cool. It's got SPF in it.
That's really important because I think a lot of people don't realise that we can actually burn the skin on our lips, so we need to protect our lips from the sun in exactly the same way as we do the rest of our skin. So the final step in our morning skincare regime is to use a hydrating day cream. When it comes to moisturisers, it's really important not to use too little, but also not to use too much. So I recommend applying the size of around a 5p piece. I personally like to apply it to the back of my hand and then apply to the face and neck.
Oh, it smells so good. What ingredients does it have?
This is just delicious. It contains kiwi seed oil, you've got sea buckthorn oil, and also sweet orange oil, which all have amazing benefits for the skin, but with the added benefit that they smell absolutely delicious. But this moisturiser is amazing because it actually helps fight the daily pollutions and pollutants that our skin is faced with on a daily basis. So it's keeping it radiant, hydrated. The vitamin C is great for brightening the skin, those anti-aging properties, smoothing and evening out the skin tone. So it's a fantastic moisturiser with so many skincare benefits. So those were my skincare steps and tips for the perfect morning regime. Obviously, you can adjust the products depending on your own individual skincare needs and skin type. But I really would recommend investing in adopting a skincare routine like that in the morning, because yourself and your skin will really benefit. Thanks for watching.